Music. Want to automate your crypto trading? In this video, we're reviewing Coinrule, a platform designed for both beginners and pros. Links are in the description. Coinrule lets you automate your crypto strategies without coding. Its intuitive interface makes setting up trading rules simple, even for newbies. A standout feature is the user-friendly rule builder. Create personalized trading strategies in just a few clicks. Set buy or sell triggers based on price, market conditions, or technical indicators. Pre-built templates are available, so you don't have to start from scratch. Coinrule integrates with major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, giving you access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The platform is highly flexible. Set multiple rules for different assets, control your strategy's aggressiveness, and even backtest your strategies. For advanced traders, Coinrule offers custom strategies for full control. Manage your strategies on the go with the Coinrule mobile app. Subscription tiers offer different features, including higher trade limits, advanced strategies, and priority support. Coinrule is a powerful, easy-to-use tool for automating your crypto trading, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. It's perfect for automating trades while maintaining control. Want to save time and boost your trading efficiency? Check out Coinrule via the links below.